In this video, I'll show you how to edit and configure patterns in Arranger mode. For this example, we'll edit pad 1. Click this button to open the pattern editor. You can also open the same window from the pad's right-click menu. This is the pattern editor window. Assign patterns by chord roll, root, third, or fifth. Use the chord roll sequencer to create most of your patterns. For drum parts, the editor works as a standard sequencer. It follows the standard DAW drum map with C1 assigned to the kick drum. You can change the note assignments here.